This is iPhone 18 Pro. Apple is about to make one of the biggest changes to its iPhone launch strategy. For the first time in many years, Apple is not launching all iPhone models together. Instead, Apple is planning to launch the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and its first ever foldable iPhone in September 2026. The regular iPhone 18, iPhone 18e, and the second generation iPhone Air are expected to arrive later in spring 2027. In this video, I'll share everything about the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max, including the display, camera, battery, expected price, and launch date. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Display. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to keep the same display sizes as the previous generation. However, there is one big change. The dynamic island is expected to become smaller than before, giving you more screen space and a cleaner look. Apple is also expected to reduce the size of the cutout that holds the Face ID system and the front camera. This means the display will look more immersive while watching videos, playing games, or browsing. Overall, the design may look familiar, but the smaller dynamic island could make the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max feel even more premium. Camera. Apple is expected to introduce a variable aperture on the main camera for the first time ever on an iPhone. But what does that mean? Unlike current iPhones, where the camera aperture is fixed, the new camera can open wider or become smaller depending on the scene. This gives you better control over light, making photos brighter in low light and more balanced in bright sunlight. It can also create a more natural background blur, giving your photos a professional DSLR-like look. This is one of the most exciting camera upgrades ever, and it could take iPhone photography to the next level. Processor. The iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max are expected to be powered by Apple's new A20 Pro chip, built on an advanced 2nm process. This new chip is expected to deliver faster performance while using less power, making everything feel smoother, from gaming to video editing and everyday tasks. Apple is also expected to use faster LPDDR6 RAM and a more powerful neural engine, which will improve AI features and make on-device intelligence even faster. For connectivity, Apple is expected to use its new C2 modem in many regions, offering stable and efficient 5G performance. However, iPhone models sold in the United States are expected to continue using a newer Qualcomm modem for even faster 5G connectivity. Overall, the A20 Pro chip could make the iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max faster, smarter, and more power efficient than ever before. Battery. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to get a small battery upgrade, increasing from 4,252 mAh to around 4,288 mAh. The biggest improvement is expected on the iPhone 18 Pro Max. Its battery could increase from 5,088 mAh to around 5,567 mAh, which is nearly a 10% upgrade. This means longer battery life for gaming, video recording, and everyday use. Apple could also deliver more than 43 hours of video playback on the iPhone 18 Pro Max, making it one of the longest-lasting iPhones ever. Price. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to be more expensive than the previous generation. According to reports, Apple could increase the price by up to $300, depending on the model and storage option. The main reasons are the new A20 Pro 2nm chip, faster LPDDR6 RAM, and higher production costs. With all these major upgrades, the iPhone 18 Pro series is expected to become one of the most expensive iPhone lineups ever. Launch date. The iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are expected to be unveiled in September 2026. Apple's first ever foldable iPhone is now expected to debut alongside the iPhone 18 Pro lineup, making this one of Apple's biggest iPhone launches ever. While Apple hasn't officially announced the event date, the keynote is expected to take place on Tuesday, September 8th, or Wednesday, September 9th, 2026. September 7th is Labor Day in the United States, and Apple typically avoids holding major events on public holidays while also giving members of the media time to travel before the keynote. The September event is expected to introduce 3 flagship devices: the iPhone 18 Pro, iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the all-new foldable iPhone. So, that's everything we know so far about the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. From the smaller dynamic island, variable aperture camera, A20 Pro chip, bigger battery, and the higher expected price, Apple is preparing some exciting upgrades this year. Now it's your turn. Which feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.